Welcome to Canadian Country Life. My name is Peaches. Thanks for stopping by. Now, I started this channel to share with you my life in the countryside of northeastern Ontario, Canada. Now, here is hoping that you will find the content on my channel educational, inspirational, and dare I say, entertaining. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And when you subscribe, remember to hit that notification bell button so you can be notified of new videos. Now, in this video, I will be showing you an option for an easy dinner that I do for my family, especially on Thursdays or Fridays. It's funny how I have several cutting boards in my cupboard, but I rarely ever use them. Instead, I cut most everything against my thumb. Well, I guess it's a cultural thing from my Jamaican heritage, eh? So, I guess this is another thing. Well, I don't guess, I know it's another thing from my Jamaican heritage that I still do. I remove from the eggs what we call the egg eye in Jamaica. Okay, so the correct name for that thing is the CHALAZAE. I will let you pronounce that. Anyways, it's that white string that connects the yolk to the top and the bottom of the shell so that the egg yolk doesn't get busted before you actually break the egg. Yeah, in Jamaica we call it the egg eye. So, and we do believe that it makes the egg a little bit more raw. So we usually remove it. Go figure, I still do it. In my kitchen, this little grinder works over time, and it does because I grind most everything from whole herbs. I prefer to do that because when things are ground and sit for a while, they lose their potency. Therefore, I try to keep fresh herbs so I can grind them myself to get the most from them. Yep, this is actually frozen spinach, and I use frozen spinach because we're living in the countryside. Sometimes we go into the city and I buy lots of certain things and then I'll have to freeze them or find other ways to preserve them. And so, yeah, you don't have to use frozen spinach if you are going to try this dish, but if you have frozen spinach, you can use it. How do you test for rice doneness in your kitchen? Well, what I learned from my mama is that you take a grain or two of rice and you crush them between your index finger and your thumb. And if they're soft right to the core, the rice is done. If not, the rice needs to go a little more. Well, dinner is done, and that's the call for the family. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.